Beauties. Okay, so this is Viana's Beauty and I'm here in church. It's after service. I wanted to vlog the morning, but I was running late, so I had to do it afterwards. I'll be giving some shots of me in church. I hope you like it. It's Sunday and I decided to vlog about my service. So guys, whatever I have, just take it like that. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I hope I'm loud enough. I've been singing the whole service and my voice is kind of gone. Okay, thank you.
We didn't touch. Oh, right, it's video. Hello.
Hello.
We're in church.
Lifestyle with Ella. Second steps, and this is the exit. I already showed you the inner part before, so I'm exiting the church now. This is the way to go. Yeah, you can see the door. The day I came in through that door. This is the exit. Yeah, you see the arrows. So here used to be the children, the toddlers room. This is where the toddlers stay, and there's the second floor and the third floor. The main auditorium is in the third floor. So you exit from here and you see the sign, one way only. So when you come in like this, you enter here to go up. We did this the other time, you can remember, yeah? So you go up, that's the second floor, and when you go up, it takes you to the third floor, the main auditorium. That's where I'm coming from. I didn't video the other door. And this is the Redeemed Christian Church. So guys, we left church and now we are going to Lidl. Yeah, so we are going to the shop to pick up a few things. Just follow us along, okay? I hope they'll not copyright me for this song.
You'll be fine.
Yeah. It's dark here now. Let me cook my. Oh, on the screen.
Yeah.
I always forget to increase it.
Guys. So we're going into Lidl now just to get a little things. Let me tell you guys, Vivian told me that they have big mangoes. So, shh, we're just here for the mangoes. Vivian, we did bring our mask.
Morning. Good morning. So guys, we're going to get the masks because we can't get into the shop without the mask. So
to shop, she forgot to get the mask.
can you imagine? Dr. Ella, see, I'm stressing with my shoes on. I would have just sat there waiting. Okay, we'll just get the mask and we'll be in the shop. So actually, yeah, I'm backing the lights. That's why the quality is dark. But anyway, it's Ireland. Thank you. Oh, let me. Am I? Yeah, look at those olden days radio. Oh, they have it at 229. Did you have this radio in your house?
I didn't have it.
That is the leader shop. Okay, we have to sanitize our hands. So here, where is the shop?
The corner crab is now cheaper. But I wonder why you don't have the fresh ones.
Oh my god, I need red pepper.
Red pepper. The bag is sticking up.
Hey, I didn't take my purse.
Sorry, that's fine.
Anna, you have to buy this and just keep. Except you don't usually use it. Yeah, in the freezer. In the freezer. It's 10.
4, 6,
10.
10. Okay, I'll take some.
Yeah.
Yeah, bring 9 on.
Yeah, okay.
I need to put yours in the box. Right, you're buying fancy.
So you just put in the freezer when you want to use it.
Yeah. 2,
It's very handy.
4, and 1 is okay for me. 5 is okay. Thank you. Then I can track it from there.
No, let me check it out.
Really? Let me put this one inside to keep properly.
Yeah.
So where are those mangoes? If your fruits are on the other side.
Pada. You want lemon? Okay. This one.
Or passion fruit.
Yeah, passion fruit. This looks like cocoa leaf. Africans. Do you know cocoa? Cocoa leaf. Yeah, it looks like cocoa stem. Like those are from Cameroon, they really know this.
It's really bad.
Yeah, see what?
I think it's nice for inside. I don't know what else they do.
Let's go to the water.
Yeah, that's all we need left. And small containers back for your peppers. And even the mango, we didn't put them. Don't worry, I'll bring the bag. No, this is the bring your bag. Bring your bag.
Oh my god. I couldn't wait.
Oh, to take
Oh,
off the
you're
bag.
so kind.
You know, because I have to wear it every day at work, so.
So you're used to.
Oh, I got see your black brothers.
So guys, we are done with the shopping and now we are going home. So that's the end of our vlog. Hopefully, see my lipstick stained this thing. Oh, that's why I don't. You will just be reducing somebody's lipstick. Just look at how my lips are. Okay. Let me not distract the drivers. She's not a driver, she's a driver.
The drivers. Oh, the drivers.
Our female driver. Our female driver is a driver.
Yes, and we drive on the right side on this side.
We drive, yeah.
It's
That's
very
the point of view.
confusing if
Very,
you're
very
coming from home.
Yeah.
Mortuary. The way mortuary looks like somebody's bedroom.
It's dark, I'm not seeing it. Oh my god.
Yeah, it all happened very fast. It all went from
See you,
like,
Luke.
everything was great.
You do.
So look, it's one of these things.
I wish I could touch you.
So I need to stop that,
I'm so
but
happy for you.
once
Thank
that
you very much.
finishes.
Thank you.
Babies are a good thing.
They are.
Alright.
Yeah. You're welcome.
See, you have another baby with
Yes.
you.
He's so active.
Yeah, I hear him barking sometimes.
Yeah,
Like,
but hopefully that'll stop soon, so I
Yeah.
apologise.
No, he's very fine. He's very fine. Like, he's such a cutie.
He's yeah,
So he likes following you around, like,
everywhere.
yeah, like every
At
he
the
does
moment,
that.
yeah. So I'm training him to let me go now for a few minutes and go upstairs, and so I can go to work.
Okay, yeah.
But yeah. But if he ever annoys you,
No.
please come and tell me.
No,
But
no,
do just in case.
it's fine.
Just-
It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah.
It's